journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. Well, we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for all our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking of feathered friends, I'm pretty sure you saw them running across the stage, right? Well, those were our bantam chicken. And with that, everyone, we have one more chicken joining us this morning. Everyone, keep your eyes at that hut. Let us welcome Chucky, our male bantam rooster. Do you see him? Okay, here he comes. And there you go. Can we give him a big hand? Welcome. Now, many of you might think that chickens, they cannot fly, but Chucky here, he has proven otherwise. Okay, all right, Chucky, you know your way back home. So right now, we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. So if you look right up there, we have some fruits and nuts attached to the tree. And with that, everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's all welcome the birds. There you go, here comes the first one. Well, that is Gaia, our high-seed macaw. Two more friends will be joining him. We have Ferrari and Lambo, our scarlet macaw. Now, macaws like them, they can be found in the jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, in the world there are 4 species of blue macaws, and here in the bird park we have 3 of them. Okay, so if you'd like to see them, do visit the parrot paradise. Well, right after feasting, what these birds will do is they will go to rocky areas just like this to lick up on clay or chalk, and this would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Well, looks like Lambo is still right up there, but not to worry. This will definitely be his next stop, okay? Now, shortly, we will be joined by more birds, and here they come. Now, birds, they gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. So this morning, we will be having a little competition, and they will need supporters. Now, people over here, you will support Cocky, our scarlet macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands, come on, and shout his name just like this. Cocky, 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 louder. Stop, very good. People on this side, you will support Barry, the green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name, Barry, Barry. Equally good as well. Now, birds, to the table. Okay, so birds, they gather food in 3 hollows, just like this one right here. There you go. We have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Okay, supporters, are you ready? Birds are ready, let's go! Quite close. So okay, she said it was just a warm-up. What do you want? She wants one more game. Can we have one more? Yes! Yes! Okay, we are gonna give Barry here a second chance, okay? Alright, so 4 fruits for Cocky and 4 fruits for Barry. Now, Barry supporters, come on guys, you have to cheer much louder. Ready, go! I think both these birds have done a fantastic job. Thank you, Cocky and Barry, our playful macaws. Okay, so we need 2 volunteers for this segment. So just raise your hands, get the trainer's attention right up there, and they might just pick you, okay? So in the center, we have Sheena. Very shortly, okay, we have Asa. Oh, there he is. Aza. Okay, so if you'd like to volunteer, just raise your hands and get Aza's attention or Sheena's attention, and they might just pick you, all right? Now, toucans, they like to nest in trees. So in the morning, both male and female, they will look for food to feed their chicks. Now the birds, they will be flying really low above some of your heads. I need your cooperation to please do not reach out or do not stand up and try to touch them, okay? This is for your safety and the safety of our birds.
Straight up. I'll be right behind you. Don't
There
move.
goes some final instructions. And looks like the first volunteer is in position. Everyone, keep your eyes on that hut. Wow, look at that, I see one already. Now, by the way, we have two of them, these lovely morning, and these are Toko toucans. There they are. They are the largest in the toucan family. So everyone, look at the size of their beaks. Now, despite the size, their beaks are very lightweight and hollow, and they can even catch insects in mid-flight without even stopping. Okay, so to demonstrate how agile these birds are, Aza, he will be throwing two pieces of fruit way up high. Let us see if the toucans can catch them, okay? So let's just give Aza some time. So once again, I need everyone to remain seated. Thank you very much. Sit down. 坐下来. Thank you. Okay, all right, Aza, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. That was a good catch. One more time. Let's all count together. Okay, everyone ready? Let's count. Come on. 1, 2. Catch by our Toko toucans. Okay, it looks like they're still enjoying the grapes right up there. Now it's very lucky for us to see these birds up close, but their numbers in the wild, they are declining due to poaching and deforestation. So we can all help these beautiful birds by supporting your local conservation efforts. Now these two birds, they have done a wonderful job, and it's time for them to head back home, okay? Now, by the way, I haven't introduced them yet. These are Mr. and Mrs. Axel. They are a husband and wife team, okay? So they are very loyal to one another. I'm going to send them back home right now. Okay, so I'm gonna place them on the stump right here. There you go, guys. Okay, Mrs. Axel, can you please lead the way? Mr. Axel, you follow. Quickly, your wife's gonna lock you out. There you go. Toko toucans, everyone. Well, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. Now, the yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? So let's start with something simple, shall we? How about a nice hello? Hello. There you go, very nice and sweet hello. Now can you tell them your name? Amigo. One more time, what's your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? Very clever indeed. Not only that, okay, Amigo is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go, perfect 10. All right, Calvin, hi. Now everyone, this right here is Big John, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now he is a veteran here at the bird show, and did you know that Big John is over 50 years old, okay? Okay, can you hear him? It's really loud, okay? All right, John, would you like to say something nice? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. There you go. One more time, okay? Say hello. 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 Oh, very nice and sweet hello from Big John right there. Now let's go back to Amigo. So you heard him count in English. This time he's going to count in another language, okay? He's going to count in Chinese.